What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you why this 2011 Ford Explorer is one of the best deals to get right now. You get a lot of features that you would get in a car that is 4 or 5 times as much, but all in one practical package. So I'm going to show you guys around this car and let you know why this is the best bang for your buck. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the interior. There's a lot to talk about right here. But first of all, you get a push start. So once you do press that push start, you have memory seats for up to 3 passengers, 3 drivers. There you go, right there. You get the upgraded Sony sound system, which has a amazing quality sound, nice bass, clear, crispy sound when you're playing your music. You also get leather seats, driver and passenger heated and cooled seats. You have climate control for the rear passengers, 3rd row seating, automatic 3rd row. We'll look at that in just a sec. You have your infotainment system there. It has so many features. I'm not going to get into every single one of them, but a couple of things that are included is adaptive cruise control. You also have warning assist for the rear backup, front collision warning with a heads-up display light right there. You have your off-road modes there. You have for sand, snow, desert, and then you also have a downhill assist, and all that does is it helps you regulate the engine speed when you're going down very steep hills. Leather wrapped steering wheel right there. I know I called this an infotainment, but this is also the infotainment system right here. This has so many features, that's why I called it that. But over here you have your phone setup on the top left, entertainment, which is your radio, your music, bottom left. Up on the top right you have navigation system, and on the bottom right you have your climate controls. That's where you can access your heated seats, AC, everything. But you also have some buttons down here that allow you to change those settings a little bit faster. You have your temp, your fan control, and then this does have a dual climate control for the driver and the passenger, so the passenger can have the climate that they most desire. This car has so many features. Right here you have your fog lights, you have your illumination control for the interior, rear lift gate button to open or close your rear lift gate, your tow button, and then this auto park button that helps you park, parallel park if you're in a tight situation. It helps you with that. So let's go ahead and move to the back, but just take a look at the interior. This is a 2011, you have to remember that, and it has a lot of things. Just look at those seats, look at the seats, look at the interior layout. Everything is very well done in this car. Moving on to the back, you can see the leather continues. There's leather everywhere, and the smell of this is amazing. It smells so good in here without having an air freshener. Just the freshness of the natural scent of this car is amazing. Moving on, you also get a 3rd row which is also electrically adjusted, so you just press a couple of buttons and those recline. It can be made flat, so you can have more space right there for your cargo. We'll go and check that out in just a bit. But here in the back you also have your plug-in for like a charger or any other electrical accessories. You have another charging port and your controls for the climate control for the rear. Alright, moving on to the 3rd row, you'll have all of your 3rd row controls right here. Let's say you want to put these seats down and stow them away. All you have to do is press one single button and they will be stowed away. Look at that. Then you have so much more space here to put all of your luggage, baby carriage, whatever it is that you need to put back here, groceries. You have so much space for that. Let's say now that we want them back, we just press a button once more and the seats will fold right back up. And if you want your headrest, all you have to do is pull it up, and then this latch will make the headrest go down just like that. Here in the back you have your subwoofers, one right there, and it provides such a good sound system for everybody inside the car. Another really nice touch on the exterior on these Ford Explorers are the wheels. These are what I call a snowflake design wheel, and they are, I think, 19 or 20 inch wheels. Let's check. Yeah, so they are 20 inch wheels and they look amazing on this model. They make the car just stand out that much more. And on top of that, this Explorer has what I call a pearl paint. I'm not exactly sure on the exact code name for this paint, but it's glistening, it's pearl metallic almost, and it just makes the car stand out. And I would argue that it compares to the paint of the Audis and the BMWs, if not better. It's just an overall very nicely done paint job on these limited edition Ford Explorers. Last but not least, let's talk about the engine. This is a 3.5 liter V6. Overall, very stout, very durable engine. Ford put this engine into a lot of cars, but as with every car, every engine has its downfalls. Every engine has its issues that it is known for. I believe that the only thing that this engine may fail at is its water pump. So they are known for having faulty water pumps, and replacing those is a very difficult job, costing probably thousands of dollars. But as with any car, you're taking a risk, whether it's a Ford, Audi, you know, any type of car will have its issues. But I really like this engine. Great gas mileage for being a car this large. You get a lot of mileage out of this car. Very efficient, and it has the power when you need it. It scoots when you need it. Nothing too crazy, but yet also doesn't feel underpowered. Overall, great engine, great transmission, very smooth, and the four-wheel drive system is also very nice, very reliable. So now that you've seen a little bit around the vehicle, I'm gonna turn it on so you can hear what a nice, healthy engine sounds like. Let's go ahead and turn it on with your push start. Let's go ahead and move on to the engine compartment. Very quiet and smooth. No loud rattles, no clunking, no fan sounds, nothing out of the ordinary. Listen to this, guys. Very quiet. This is what a healthy engine sounds like. I've checked it over. No overheating, nothing crazy. Just very smooth. If there's anything when you're purchasing a vehicle that you wonder about, or ask yourself if this should be normal or not, then I would walk away from that car and look somewhere else till you're 100% sure that you want to purchase this vehicle. Well, not this vehicle, but whatever vehicle you're looking at. So why is this such a great option to purchase? Well, for a nice low mileage 2011, 2012, 13 Ford Explorer, you're looking at about $9,500 on the low end, up to $13,000 for one of these. And when I say this is a good deal, That is because if you are looking to purchase a brand new 2025 similar model with similar features, you're paying up to $50,000 or $60,000 for the same features or the same comfort. Very minor differences, maybe a little bit more newer technology on the new cars. Obviously that's something that they come with, but as far as mechanical performance, it's very relative to the older generation models of the same vehicle. So for me, I don't want to be owing that much money to the banks, and I went ahead and purchased this cash. And it took a while, I'm not gonna lie, it took a while to find a good, clean, low mileage example. And at the end of the day, it was worth it. It's a great car, great family car, great on long trips, great four-wheel drive system for the snow if you get a lot of snow like we do here. But yeah, let me know if you guys think that this is a good deal. If you have one of these, why you like it or why you hate it. I haven't had it for very long, but I know that every single car comes with their issues. But once again, everybody, thank you for watching. I'll be looking forward to reading your comments, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Peace out.